Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So here we are discussing the question literacy rate on Codechef. So the problem states that you are given two positive integers P and L denoting the total population of Sheffland and total number of literate people. Find whether the literacy rate is greater than or equal to 75. Literacy rate is calculated as L by P into 100. So we are given T, the number of test cases, P and L, from which literacy rate need to be calculated, and the output would be yes if literacy rate is greater than or equal to 75, otherwise we would output no. So here are the test cases. First is 100 and 75. So you are given P and you know that the formula is L divided by P into 100. So just check from this formula. First we check L is 75, so 75 by 100 into 100, it is exactly 75, so we output yes. Then 5 by 20 into 100, which comes out to be 25%, which is less than 75, so no. 51 by 53 into 100, greater than 75, yes. And 10 by 50 into 100, which comes out to be 20%, so we output no in this case. So simply you can calculate this, let it be R, and if your R is greater than or equal to 75, output yes, else output no. So this is the solution to the problem, and it's a very easy problem, so I hope you all understand the solution. Thanks for watching.